In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text on Wix Studio. If you're updating a headline, adjusting a paragraph, or polishing a call to action, the process is simple once you know exactly where to click and what each control does. Start by clicking directly on the text element you want to edit. You'll know you've selected it correctly when a clear blue border appears around the text box. That blue border is your confirmation that Wix Studio is focused on the text itself, not a container, section, or image nearby. If you don't see the blue border, try clicking right on a letter, or zoom in slightly so you can make a precise selection. When the text element is selected, you're ready to make changes. As soon as you click, a context menu will appear near the text. This is your quick access toolbar for fast edits. You can simply start typing to replace the existing text or highlight specific words to style them. From this menu, you can adjust the font family and size, tweak the color, change alignment, and apply bold or italic styling. It's perfect for quick headline tweaks or light formatting. If something doesn't look right, remember you can undo your last change with the standard undo shortcut. For deeper control, use the inspector pane on the right side of the editor while the text element is still selected. The inspector gives you fine-tuning options so your text looks consistent across your site. Here, you can dial in exact font sizes, set line height for readability, and adjust letter spacing for a cleaner look. You can also refine alignment, choose text transformations like uppercase, and pick colors that match your site's design system. If you're using theme colors or fonts, selecting them here keeps your brand styling consistent across pages. A helpful tip: if you want to change to affect the entire text element, make sure no individual words are highlighted before adjusting settings in the inspector. If you only want to modify a specific phrase, highlight that phrase first, then apply your change. That's all there is to it. Click the text element and look for the blue border to confirm selection. Use the context menu for quick, in-place edits, and open the inspector on the right for precise typography controls and consistent styling. With these two editing spots working together, you can update any text in Wix Studio quickly, cleanly, and with confidence.